it's stuck. Okay, we've got this where we want it, that way, up and down, but now we're going to make sure it's 4 inches across. 4 inches is kind of the rule for safety. A little kid or an animal can't get his head through. I'd hate to see some animal get their head stuck. Okay, that's 4 inches. And we'll put this on here. And we'll recheck. That's a little bit. That's not a hammer. Okay, 4 inches. Okay. So we'll go down to this other end. And that's about 4. Yep. Put this here. That's 4. 4 in the middle. 4 on the edge. Okay, so this one's ready to tack in. It's a little twisty. It will probably twist like the other one. So we'll go down here. Maybe I'll tack it here first. Okay, there's one tack, and it looks like it twisted a wee bit. Didn't look too bad down there. Yeah, it did twist a little bit. So all I did was take a crescent wrench and with just one tack on there, I twisted that to where I eyeballed it level. It's not perfect, but it'll be pretty good. And we're gonna tack down here, I think. This magnet away. Okay. All right, now we're going to continue. We'll tack this one. Looks pretty good. Okay, now we're going to check for square again just to make sure. Yeah, that's a bit overkill, but I just really want to make sure that this is staying in square. I'll just check these first two and then I'll keep going. You know, I just really want to make sure, because once you once you dial this in and tack all these in and start welding them, you're done. Like, that square is just where it's at. If it's in square, it's going to probably stay. If you're gentle about using, you know, common sense about tacking those two, then coming down here and tacking these two, then working your way over. That way you're spreading the heat around and spreading the stress around the square. Right now, we're going to check again, just to make sure. We won't tip our camera over. And looks like we're at 67 and a little under, 67 and 7/8. Okay, let's check this one. $67 and 7/8. We're doing good. Okay, so we're still in square, and we should remain that way with these little extra sticks I welded in that go across. That helps it all stay in square. And I'll probably leave those in there until the bitter end, like until this is 90% welded. And then when it's all seal welded and all the corners are welded, I'll take those off of there. It's just a little tack. You'd be surprised what a little tack will do. It's just a little tack on each side. Well, you can see it there. I'm holding that in, but it's really helping at this point. The square is staying square, and that's good. So, hope you've enjoyed this. This is what's going on. This is how you do a horse stall. This is part of a sample piece for a much larger job. I probably won't have big videos of that. This is just what's going on. People want to know what I'm doing. And as always, safety first. Remember to turn your welding helmet on. There's a little button on the inside. Okay, Faulkner Fixes All signing off. Have a good day.